How do you prepare for success? Abraham Lincoln wisely stated, "Give me 6 hours to chop down a tree, and I will spend the first 4 hours sharpening the axe." Preparation is essential when considering making money in the online world. The best place to start is with critical self-examination. The process of taking stock of our lives will not only help determine where we are, but where we are going. So ask yourself, do I spend my time productively or passively? What are my gifts? What are my talents? How do I serve others? Who do I spend the most time with? Who are the people I admire? Are those two groups of people the same? Do I have goals, and what are they? Write down your answers and give them some thought over the next few days. You must clearly define a goal, or there is absolutely no chance that you will reach it. If you ask 25 people on the street what their goal was for the next 2 years, you would be lucky to find 4 that could tell you. Being positive, having an optimistic attitude, and a clearly defined goal create the soil for the fertile ground of success. Let's plant the seeds together. See you soon.